The Filipino Wave: How the Philippines is Influencing Asia's Pop Culture. Upbeat Filipino music and vibrant visuals play. Transition to host in a brightly lit studio. Hey everyone, welcome to Asia Rising. Today, we're diving deep into a cultural phenomenon that's been sweeping across the continent, the Filipino Wave. Get ready to explore how the Philippines is making its mark on Asia's pop culture scene. The Filipino Wave is more than just a trend. It's a cultural phenomenon. It's about the explosion of Filipino talent, stories, and music that are captivating audiences across Asia and beyond. The Philippines has always been a powerhouse of entertainment. From its vibrant music scene to its compelling television dramas, the country has a rich history of artistic expression. But in recent years, something special has happened. Filipino culture has experienced a surge in global popularity, especially in Asia, influencing everything from music to movies. Filipino artists are breaking barriers and collaborating with international stars. They are showcasing their unique talents on a global stage, proving that Filipino creativity knows no bounds. Think of Bruno Mars, with his Filipino heritage shining through his music, or Lea Salonga, a Broadway legend, and Charisse, who wowed the world with her incredible voice. What makes Filipino artists so appealing to Asian audiences? It's their vibrant and diverse culture, a unique blend of Eastern and Western influences that resonates deeply. One of the key factors driving the Filipino Wave is the power of storytelling. Filipino teleseryes, or television dramas, have become incredibly popular across Asia. These teleseryes are known for their dramatic narratives and relatable characters. They draw viewers in with their emotional depth and compelling storylines. The universal themes of love, family, and social issues resonate with viewers from all walks of life. These stories touch on the human experience in a way that transcends cultural boundaries. Take Pangako Sa'yo, a classic teleserie that has been remade and enjoyed in multiple Asian countries, or Ang Provinciano, a long-running action drama that has captivated audiences for years. These teleseries have paved the way for other forms of Filipino entertainment to gain recognition. They've opened doors and created a demand for more Filipino content. Filipino movies are also gaining traction in Asia. They are exploring diverse themes and showcasing the talent of Filipino actors and filmmakers. Filipino reality TV formats are being adapted across Asia. The creativity and innovation of Filipino television are being recognized and celebrated. And let's not forget the rise of Filipino online content creators. They are using their unique perspectives to create engaging and thought-provoking content for a global audience. Filipino entertainment often goes beyond mere entertainment. It tells stories with substance and social commentary, sparking conversations and raising awareness about important issues. Music is another key driver of the Filipino Wave. Filipino music is captivating Asian audiences with its infectious melodies and powerful vocals. Filipinos are known for their vocal prowess. They have a natural talent for singing and a passion for music that shines through in their performances. Filipino music encompasses a diverse range of styles. From pop and R&B to rock and hip-hop, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Artists like Sarah Geronimo, Bamboo, and Moira De La Torre are leading the charge. They are showcasing the diversity and talent of the Filipino music scene. Filipino music is known for its emotional expression. It conveys a wide range of emotions, from joy and love to heartbreak and hope, celebrating Filipino culture. Filipino artists are using their music as a platform for social commentary. They are addressing important social issues and raising awareness about the challenges facing their communities. They are also empowering young Filipinos through their music. They are inspiring them to pursue their dreams and make a positive impact on the world. Take Moira De La Torre, for example. She uses her platform to advocate for mental health awareness and other social causes. The Filipino diaspora plays a crucial role in spreading Filipino culture across Asia. They are acting as cultural ambassadors, sharing their heritage with the world. They promote Filipino culture through music, dance, and food. They organize community events to showcase the richness and diversity of Filipino traditions. These events foster a sense of connection and pride among Filipinos living abroad. They create a sense of unity and belonging, strengthening the Filipino community. The Filipino Wave is about more than just entertainment. It's about cultural exchange and understanding. It's about bridging divides and fostering unity through storytelling, music, and community. By sharing their culture with the world, Filipinos are promoting appreciation for their heritage. They are inviting others to learn about their traditions and values. The future of the Filipino Wave is bright. There's so much excitement about the continued impact of Filipino culture on Asia and beyond. Filipino artists are poised for even greater global success. Their talent, creativity, and passion are driving them forward. And it's that passion that will continue to fuel the Filipino Wave. It's the driving force behind the continued success of Filipino culture on the global stage. Final montage showcasing Filipino culture and potential. The Filipino Wave is a testament to the power of culture to connect people and inspire change. It's a celebration of Filipino talent, creativity, and resilience. Now it's your turn to explore the Filipino Wave. Dive into Filipino music, watch a teleseries, or try some delicious Filipino food. Share your discoveries with your friends and family. Let's celebrate the Filipino Wave together. Upbeat Filipino music fades out,